pangung langayate giri. If one is lame, he is made to cross over the hill, mountain. This is the mercy of Guru. So, bhakti or cultivation of spiritual knowledge is never checked by any material things. Ahoituki apratihata. No material thing can check us in our progress in Krishna consciousness. That is not possible. Never think like that. Simply follow the instruction of Krishna consciousness. Manmana bhava mad bhakta, madhyaji manga namaskuru. Follow the rules and regulations, and everything will be clear, very crystal clear. There will be no impediment. Always chant here, don't waste time. Chanakya Pandit, he is a moral instructor, he says about wasting time. He says, Ayusat chana ekopi na labhya sarnakoti bhi. Even one moment of your life cannot be returned, even if you are prepared to pay millions of dollars. It is so valuable time. One moment passed. What is this month? May, no? April. Now 7th April 1975 passed. If you ask back the return, 7th April 1975, it is not possible. Even if you are prepared to pay millions of dollars. So just imagine what is the value of our time. So this time should not be wasted. We should always, you Western people, you know the value of time from material point of view. Material point of view, that is also good. Don't waste your time. Engage always yourself in some good activities. But for spiritual advancement also, we should be more accurate and strict. Abbartha kalatam. Srila Rupa Goswami has recommended that one who is always anxious to see that not a moment is spoiled. That is advancement of Krishna consciousness. Abbartha kalatam namagane sadaruchi vivikta deva desa sevitam, like that. Upadeshamrita you will find. A devotee should always think whether my time is passed uselessly. Then he will make advance. Don't be slow. We should be always very expertly alert. Not a single moment is wasted. Jayatang sruto bhungo mamo mandan mate. Mandan mate. We are very slow, especially in the spiritual master. Practically there is no intention all over the world. They do not know that is the real business is spiritual advancement of life. They are so in darkness. The very unfortunate time, this Kali Yuga. Manda samanda. If they want to utilize, they manufacture some new ways of spiritual advancement. This is another difficulty. So many rascals, yogis, swamis, transcendental meditation, this, that, avatar, always ready to mislead you. Always. If one is little inclined, well, let me do something spiritually advanced, these rascals will mislead you. Very difficult position. Therefore, the best thing is to surrender to Madan Mohan, Krishna, Sambandha Devata. Madan Mohan, our most difficult position is sex. Krishna, Maya has given such a, you may call it nice or bad, such propensity, sex, that it will create disturbances. Even though you are rigid, avowed, you are doing nicely, at some times, especially at night, it will disturb. It will disturb. Therefore, Surato, Krishna is the most expert in this conjugal love. Krishna. So therefore we have to submit, surrender to Krishna. Surato Panga. We are very much feeble and very slow, and so far our sex impulse is concerned, here especially mentioned Madan Mohan. Sex impulse is called Cupid, Madan. But if we become staunch devotee of Krishna, this material sex impulse will vanish. Will vanish. Because Cupid becomes, attracted. Even Cupid becomes attracted by Krishna. We are attracted by Cupid, but Cupid is attracted by Krishna. Therefore his name is Madan Mohan. That is the only remedy. Jadavadhi mama chitta Krishna padara vindam nava nava dhama rantumasit tadavadhi batanari sangame smarjamane bhavati mukha vikar. If you stick to the lotus feet of Krishna, Krishna save me, then this disturbing material thing, sex, agitation, will not disturb you. This is the only way. Therefore it is said, Madana Mohan. Our spiritual life is hampered very strongly by this sex impulse. But it is material. The sex impulse is material. So, we should try to tolerate. Kandayanena karayuriva dukkha dukkham kandutaiva manasija vishayeta dhira. Just to tolerate little and chant Hare Krishna, pray to Krishna, please save me from these disturbances. And we should materially also control. Control means atyahara priyasasta prajalpa niyamad. Atyahar, too much eating, that is also agitating. So everything can be controlled by Krishna's grace. He is Madan Mohan. Therefore, our first business is to surrender to Madan Mohan and establish our relationship with him. My Lord Krishna, I have so long forgotten. That song is sung by Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Manasa deha geha jo kichu mora orpino tua pade nanda kishore. This full surrender. Then Krishna assures, aham tva sarva pape bhavamakkoisami. He will protect. So, tang titikkhasya bharata, there are so many disturbances. So Krishna says, tolerate and do your business faithfully, chant Hare Krishna, follow the rules and regulations, and remain fully surrendered at the lotus feet of Madan Mohan, there will be no more disturbance. Thank you very much.